Example second, by using graphical method. Use graphical method. Use graphical method to solve the following LPP. Okay, so example is given that maximum Z is equal to 2x1 plus x2, subject to constants are given that x1 plus 2x2 is less equal to 10, then x1 plus x2 is less equal to 6, then x1 minus x2 is less equal to 2, and x1 minus 2x1, this is also less equal 1. Okay, so all constants are given that less equal type, and lastly condition is non-negativity condition. Okay, so by using graphical method, first we write all constants in equality form. Okay, first write all constants in equality form, okay. So how to write? Then constants are x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 60, x1 plus x2 is equal to 6, sorry here 10, then 6, then x1 minus x2 is equal to 2, x1 minus 2x1 is equal to 1. Okay, so to find points, we find points on the graph. Okay, how to find the points on graph? First one is x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 10. x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 10. If x1 is equal to 0, then x2 is equal to 5, and x2 is equal to 0, then x1 is equal to 10. Therefore points are 0, 5, and next point is 10, 0. Okay, this is the 2 points of this equation. Then for second, x1 plus x2 is equal to 6, which implies that x1 is equal to 0, we get x2 is equal to 6, and x2 is equal to 0, we get x1 is equal to 6. Therefore 0, 6 and 6, 0. Okay, points are 0, 6 and 6, 0. Then third is x1 minus x2 is equal to 2. When x1 is equal to 0, then x2 is equal to minus 2, and x2 is equal to 0, then x1 is equal to 2. Therefore points are 0, minus 2, and 2, 0. Okay, and next is for fourth is x1 minus 2x1 is equal to 1, we get x1 is equal to 0, then x1 is equal to minus 1 by 2, and x2 is equal to 0, then x1 is equal to 1. We get a point r minus 1 by 2, 0, 0 minus 1 by 2. Okay, 0 minus 1 by 2, and 1, 0. This point is 0 minus 1 by 2. Okay, this point is 0 minus 1 by 2. So plot a graph by using these coordinates. We get how to plotting this graph. Okay, so this is x1 axis, this is, suppose that this is x2 axis. Okay, and then here scales are given that scale take 10, 0. This is taking a scale here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and up to so on. Okay, here also minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Here also minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay, in this way. So points are first point is 0 5, 0 5. Okay, 0 5. Then second point is 10 0. Okay, so extend this. This is 6, here 7, suppose that here 8, here 9, here 10. Okay, so next point is 10 0, 10 0. Okay, so join these two points. Join these 2 points. How to joining these 2 points? Suppose here we joining these 2 points. Okay, this point is 0 5 and this is a 10 0. Okay, then and this line is a 2x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 10. This line is okay. Then second line, second points seconds are 0 6 and 6 0. 0 6, here 6. Okay, this is point and this is 1 point. So join these 2 points. Joining these 2 points, suppose that. Okay, this is a by using scale. Join these 2 points. These lines are straight lines. So this line is a x1 plus x2 is equal to 6. Then next points are 0 minus 2 and 2 0. 0 minus 2, 0 minus 2 here and 2 0. This is okay. This is. So join these 2 points. This is x1 minus 2x2 is equal to, sorry, x1 minus x2 is equal to 2. Okay, this line x1 minus x2 is equal to 2. Okay, then points are 0 minus 1 by 2. 0 minus 1 by 2 means here 1 minus 1 by 2, and next point is 1 0. Here 1 0. So join these two points here. Okay, join this. Here cross is here something, here whatever maybe here. Okay, so by scale this is a exactly the how to crossing their 2 points. Okay, but here here by using scale we take these lines. Okay, then we get a exactly graph here exist. So this is point and these points are maybe touch here whatever maybe. Okay, then to find the feasible region. Okay, so how to find a feasible region? This line x1 plus 2x2 is less equal 10, then the region is must be below side of this line. Okay, this line below side of this line, and their region is a below side of this line. Below side of this line is means this side. Okay, below, this is a below side of our line is, their region is below side of this side. Then their region is below side, this is a below side, this is a below side. Their region is also, because all constraints are less equal type. Okay, all constraints are less equal type, and therefore all constraints are less equal type, therefore less equal type, and therefore this is a feasible region. This is 1 point, this is second point. Okay, this is 1 point, this is 1 point is here, then second point here, then third point here whatever may be. Okay, but here graph is not exactly writing here. So then next point is this is this and this is our feasible region. Okay, so this region is our feasible region. Okay, so here by using Then points are here given that points are suppose there is 0 O, this is A, this is B, then this is C point. Okay, this is a point C. Point C is a intersection of these two lines. Point C is a intersection of these two lines, OA, BC. Then D point is a at point 1. Okay, here D and O. Okay, this is a point of our visible region, and therefore plot this graph in exactly therefore points are O point is 0 0, A point is 0 5, B point is intersection of these two lines, okay. This line is x1 plus x2 is equal to 6, and this line is a x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 10. Okay, then point C is intersection of these two lines, x1 minus x2 is equal to 2, and this line is x1 minus 2x2 is equal to 1. So point D is 1 0. To find point B is a intersection of point B. Point B is intersection of lines. What lines? x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 10, and second x1 plus x2 is equal to 6. Okay, point B is this point. Okay, so therefore so solving their points are minus, then x2 is equal to 4. Okay, and when x2 is equal to 4 putting, then x1 is equal to 2. Therefore point B is 2 4. Point B is 2 and 4. Okay, this is 2 and this is 4. Okay, then point C is intersection of two lines. These two lines are, point C is here. Okay, point C is here, intersection of two lines, x1 minus x2 is equal to 2. Okay, and x1 minus x2 is equal to 2, and x1 next line is this line, x1 minus and x1 minus 2x2 is equal to 1. So finding x1 minus x2 is equal to 2 and x1 minus 2x2 is equal to 1. Solving this, x2 is equal to 1. Okay, x2 is equal to 1. Put x2 is equal to 1, we get x1 is also equal to minus 1. Okay, sorry, x1 is equal to 3. Okay, and therefore point C is 3 1. Okay, and therefore points are 0 0, then A point is 0 5, B point is 2 4, C point is 3 1, point D is 1 0. Okay, and therefore the maximum value here objective function is maximum type. Okay, therefore the objective function is maximize, and therefore the value of objective function at point at first point 0 0 0 0, value of z is 0. At second point is at a means 0 5 is value of z. Z is given that z is what is z? Maximum z is equal to 2x1 plus x2. Okay, 2x1 plus x2. Maximum z is equal to 2x1 plus x2. So put the value of, therefore value of z is 5. At next point is 2 4, then value of 2 4, then value of z is 4 plus 4 8. Then next point at 3 1 and 1 0. Okay, 3 1 value is 6 plus 1 is 7, and at 1 0 is z is equal to 1 0 is 2. Okay, therefore from above star we conclude that the maximum value of z, maximum value of z is 8, and at point what point? 2 4, and therefore the optimal solution to given LP P. Okay, LP problem is at x1 is equal to 2 and x2 is equal to, optimal solution of given LP at x1 is equal to 2 and x2 is equal to 4 is 8. Okay, and therefore this is our optimal solution. Only to we write how to find it by using graphical method. Only to write graph is plot very exactly, then we have to finding this point. Okay, so here not scale, so therefore all lines are so dismissed. Okay, but graph is plotter exactly. Okay, so this is one example of our. Then next example, suppose that next example is maximum z is equal to minus x1 plus 2x2 subject to x1 minus x2 is less equal minus 1. Then suppose that 3x1 plus 4x2 is less equal 12. Okay, and next is x1 plus x2 is less equal 6. Okay, and x1 x2 are not equal 0. Okay, so their right solution of this, how to find write each constraints in equivalent type and find the points. Okay, let x1 minus x2 is equal to minus 1, and then their points are when x1 is equal to 0, x2 is 1, and x2 is equal to 0, then x1 is equal to minus 1 0. Okay, we directly here points are directly. Okay, then first one, second 3x1 plus 4x2 is equal to 12. We get points are their points are x1 is equal to 0, then x2 is equal to 3, and x2 is equal to 0, then x1 is equal to 4. Then third x1 plus x2 is equal to 6, then points are 0 6 and 6 0. Okay, and for here all constants are writing here. So plot the graph. How to plot a graph? plotting this graph. Okay, this is x1, this is the x2 axis. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. Similarly here 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, here -1 -2 in this way, -1 and up to so on. So 1 0 -1 0 1 0 -1 0 1 0 -1 0. So plot the graph. Okay, this line is x1 minus x2 equal to -1. Then next is 0 3 0 3 and 0 3 and 4 0. Okay, not this point, 0 3 and 4 0. So their line is in this way. Okay, this line is 3x1 plus 4x2 is equal to 12. Okay, then next region, x1 plus x2 is equal to 6. x1 plus x2 is equal to 6. This line is, suppose here 6, here 6. Okay, this line is x1 plus x2 is equal to 6. And so region is all constants are less equal type, means region are below this side, this below this side, and their region is also below these sides. Okay, therefore here one condition is common region of this all three constraints. Common region of this all three constraints are this is a common region of this all three constraints, because this common region is satisfy all three constraints, and therefore this is a feasible region. The shaded line, the shaded region is feasible region. Okay, shaded region is feasible region. So this is 0 A B C. Okay, and therefore the feasible region is OAB C. Okay, OABC. Okay, the points are O is 0 0, A point is 0 3, B point is intersection of these two lines, this and this. Then C point is 1 0, and to find point B. Point B is a intersection of two lines. Intersection of two lines are what two lines? x1 minus x2 equal to -1, and 3x1 plus 4x2 equal to 12. Okay, so solving this, when multiply this equation by 3, or we write in this form, x1 minus x2 is equal to -1. Okay, and subtract this equation, then multiply equation this by 3, and we get 7x2 is equal to 7x2. Okay, 7x2 is equal to 15. Okay, 12 plus 3 15. Then x2 is equal to 15 by 7. Put x2 is equal to 15 by 7 in this equation, in this any equation. Okay, then value is putting, suppose that in this equation, then minus we get plus -1 plus 15 by 7, we get 8 by 7. x1 is equal to 8 by 7. Okay, x1 is equal to 8 by 7. 8 by 7 minus 15 by 7, we get -7 by 7 is -1. Okay, and therefore point B is 8 by 7 and 50 by 7. Therefore points are 0 0, then 0 3, then 8 by 7 and 15 by 7 and 1 0, and therefore the value of Z is at point 0 0. Maximum Z is given that minus x1 plus 2x2 is at 0 0 value is 0, at 0 0 Z is equal to 0, at 0 3 value of Z is at 0 3 value of Z is 6, at 8 by 7 15 by 7 value of Z is 8 by 7 plus 30 by 7, minus 8 by 7 plus 13 by 7 is minus 22 by 7, plus 22 by 7. Okay, their value is 3.14 something. Okay, then at next point is 1 0, their value is minus 1, and therefore the maximum value of Z is is 6, and at point 0 3. Okay, and therefore the optimal solution of given LPP is optimal solution of LPP is x1 is equal to 0 and x2 is equal to 3. Okay, LPP at x1 is equal to 0 and x2 is 6. This is our solution. Okay, only to find the points and plot a graph and take a graph, and then check the region of given constraints. Okay, check the region and we find the points, all points, and we get a maximum value or minimum value. Okay.